Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So if you accidentally deleted important messages, just follow along step by step to get them back. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right. From the menu, go to Account Center. Next, tap on Your Information and Permissions, then select Export Your Information. This will open in your browser, so give it a second to load. When it loads, tap on Create Export. Select your Instagram account, then choose Export to Device. Now, scroll down and make sure your email notifications are turned on so you can receive the file. After that, tap on Customize Information. Swipe up and tap Clear All, then go through each section like Personal Information, Connections, Log Info, Security and Login Info, Apps, Preferences, and Ads, and clear all of them. Now here's the important part. Scroll back up and find Messages under your Instagram activity, then select it and tap Save. Next, choose your date range. You can pick options like last week, last month, last year, or set a custom range. For this example, just choose last week, then tap Save. Leave the format and media quality as they are, and tap Start Export. Instagram will now ask you to enter your password. Go ahead and type it in, then tap Continue. Now just wait for the email from Instagram or Meta. They'll send you a downloadable file. Once you download and open that file, you'll be able to view and read your deleted chats. And that's it. While Instagram doesn't have a direct recover button, this method lets you access your deleted messages easily.